Wait, don't run. Hold on a little. Beautiful and muscular body, strong arms and strong muscles. Here he is the standard of a man. After all, doing bodybuilding, you increase your endurance. Improve immunity. Get a toned body without excess fat. Improve your mood and increase your self-esteem. Eat right and follow the regimen. Reduce salt deposits in the bones. Increase the strength of the bone skeleton. And you almost ran to the gym, but linger for another minute and maybe you will draw a different conclusion. Despite all the positive aspects of bodybuilding is high chance of injury, increased blood, joints, heart, spine, depletion of the nervous system. Taking steroids is accompanied by impotence, disruption of the internal organs, headaches, hair loss. From all the above, I can draw one conclusion: do better. Fitness.